In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the password on Behance. If you want to improve the security of your Behance account or simply update your login credentials, changing your password is an important step. Since Behance is connected to the Adobe ecosystem, your account password is actually managed through your Adobe account settings. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the entire process so you can update your password safely and confidently. To begin, open Behance in your browser and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, look toward the upper corner of the page for your profile picture or account avatar. Move your cursor over the icon to open the account menu. Inside the menu, select the option labeled Manage Adobe Account or Manage Adobe ID. This will redirect you to your Adobe account settings in a separate tab. Depending on your security settings, Adobe may ask you to confirm your identity before continuing. Simply follow the instructions shown on the screen to proceed. After arriving at the Adobe account page, locate the Change Password option and click on it. This section is specifically designed for updating your account credentials securely. The first thing Adobe will ask for is your current password. Carefully type your existing password into the field provided. If you're using a shared or public device, make sure no one can view your screen while entering sensitive information. Once you've entered the current password correctly, click Continue to move to the next step. Now it's time to create your new password. Enter the new password into the first field, then type it again in the confirmation field to verify that both entries match perfectly. When creating a new password, try to choose something secure and difficult to guess. A strong password usually includes a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special symbols. Longer passwords are generally more secure and easier to protect against unauthorized access. It's also a good idea to avoid using personal information or passwords that you've already used on other websites. If you use a password manager, you can save the updated password there to help keep your accounts organized and secure across different devices. Before finalizing the update, double-check both password fields carefully. One of the most common issues during this process is a typing mismatch between the two entries. Once everything looks correct, click Update Password to complete the change. Adobe will then confirm that your password has been successfully updated. From this point forward, you'll use the new password whenever signing into Behance or any other connected Adobe services. If your browser asks whether you want to save the updated password, you can allow it if you trust the device you're using. This can help prevent login issues later. And that's it. Your Behance password has now been successfully updated through your Adobe account settings. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.